Finding dimes can hold significant spiritual meaning, serving as messages from departed loved ones, signs of good luck, or affirmations that you're on the right path. The year on the dime may hold personal significance while the number itself can symbolize various life themes. For instance, a single dime suggests new beginnings, 2 dimes indicate love and connection, and 3 dimes denote creativity and optimism. Moreover, encountering a heads-up dime is often viewed as an omen of good fortune, while a tails-up dime may guide you toward important decisions. In numerology, dimes represent confidence and independence, encouraging you to trust your instincts and embrace change. Ultimately, finding a dime can be a reminder of your spiritual connection and the abundance that awaits you.